Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of these beauties. So this is Boxycharm versus IPSY for the month of November 2020. Both of these are like $25 each, and a beauty subscription, monthly subscription, and we would get around 5 full-size products in both of these. And you could select like one product in this one, and you could select like around 3 products of your choice in this one. Without further ado, let's get to today's video. And before we dive in, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. This month we got this beauty. So this is the drawstring bag that we got. So here is the front and here is the back. So that's how it looks. And the first item that I have is this beauty. So this is the item beauty lid glaze in Say Hello, and value for $14. And this is the bouncy shadow, is like a lip gloss for your lids. This jelly texture glides on effortlessly with zero creasing or cracking. And we have a review for this one. Let's see. This was not great. Felt like the glitter went everywhere. It was too sheer. My primer had more depth than this item. Oof. Alright. Let's see what we have next. The next beauty that we have is this. So this one is it's Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Lip Mask, and I picked this one, and this one value is $25, and it's a lip treatment. And what it does, say goodbye to dry chapped winter lips with this hydrating glave on treatment. Let's look at the reviews. Nice smell and love how it feels on my lips. Does a great job at moisturizing. Okay, the next one is a little goes a long way, works very well, smells great, super soft and not sticky. So looks like people do love it. This is the beauty that I have next, and this one is the Violet Was 6 color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. But here is how it looks. Here are the colors. Okay, the price on this one is $20, and it's the full size item, and this is like you will use up every single shade in this versatile peachy shadow palette. They're honestly all that good. We have a review for this one. This is a pretty nice palette, easy to carry and apply. For some reason they don't last as much as the formula. Feels okay, nothing special. Alright, the next one says shades weren't as vibrant as it looks in the pan. After blending it, kind of goes away. Okay, this one, so this is the Ensa Beauty Silk Bronzing Base and Brush, or retails for $50. Let's look at the reviews. I'm not a fan of cream makeup, and this is way too dark for me. The next one says it was okay, not enough payoff, but hey, it comes with a brush. Alright. The next one says too dark and requires a lot of pressure to get any on the brush. Is that so? Let's see. Oh, this is how it looks. It has got like that creamy kind of glow kind of thing. Don't get much of the product on the brush first of all, so and it's too light for me. Next beauty that I have is this one, and this is a Chula Skin Eye Feel Amazing Cooling and Brightening Hydrogel Eye Mask, and they have like 4 pairs of the eye mask, and if I remember, I think I chose this one. Let's see about this beauty. Yeah, I have picked this item, and this one value is $22, and it has got the 4 count, and this is the under eye patches. This under eye patches hydrates, brighten and refresh your eye area for an instant awake feeling. Okay, now let's look at the reviews. I didn't really see that much of a difference when I used this product, unfortunately. I also got an add-on because if you see, like, I have like acne scarring, so I want to use this one. I just want to give it a shot, like if this really helps. And this is the Sunday Rally acne treatment face oil. So it has got 1.5% of salicylic acid, and for acne or for oily to acne prone skin. So I just want to give it a shot and see if that calms my skin and if it does reduce my acne scarring, because I recently started getting acne for some reason. So that is that. So I just want to give it a shot, and I also want to post an update if it did work for my scarring and all of that. So do let me know if you want to see that video. So Boxycharm is also like $25, and let's see what we got. So that is Boxycharm Harvest, and I got the version 13. Cool. All right. So this is the product that I chose, and this is Kush before after. Okay, before and after. It's not before after. Alrighty, so what is this? This is the waterproof mascara, really big, and it has got so much of weight in it. The wand is also good, but it's kind of dried off for me. So this is how the wand looks, and this one retails for $24. It's a waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived seed oil. Next beauty that I have is this one. So this one, I was really excited to get this one. So this is the Natasha Dion eyeshadow, but it has like 1 2 3 4 5 eyeshadows in it, this one, and this is called Peak 5 eyeshadow palettes. And let's see about this one. It's Peak palette and retails for $48. Yeah, usually Natasha Dion's eyeshadow palettes are kind of on the expensive side. So this one is the Essential Everyday Warm Toned Eye Pigment that she mixes and matches for her favorite palettes, all recognized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy, matte and metallic formulas for the classic Safari and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes, you will find yourself reaching for this all season long. Okay, so looks like we have like 4 mattes, like all of these are mattes, and this is the shimmer, and this one retails for $48. And the next beauty that I have is Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. Okay, it's like just like any serum consistency, and it don't have any smell. This one retails for $62. An ultra hydrating serum powered by a superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier looking. Okay, the next we have like 2 of them, but this looks really teeny tiny size, and this one is lip oil. I really get mad when they say like these are like full-size items and they just add it. Int Cosmetics lip oil, and this one retails for $11. This is a perfect product for those who want hydration and moisture but only a flush of color. This lip oil can easily be applied on the go or on the top of lipstick for an added sheen. And next we have this one. So this is the Almer Cosmetics Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base, and this one also retails for $15. This is a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's a water and the wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. All the products that we got in IPSY versus the Boxycharm. And if you do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and love you guys so much. Be good to each other, stay safe, bye.